Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be playing Adopt Me to see what people would trade for the new Adopt Me ice cream truck. If you have not went and saw this, on Adopt Me, it's really good. I love this so much. So yeah. Also, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can get notified every time I post a video, because I do not post a lot, girl. Oh, I'm sorry. Oops. Okay. Let's go ahead and log on and see what people would trade for the new Adopt Me ice cream truck. Let's see what people are saying in chats. Let's see. The dummy. I'm reporting happy girl because she's calling people dummies. And that is not good. Happy genius girl. Let's go ahead. Oh, you guys like my new outfit? It's so pretty. Like, you see that? Let's go ahead and go to gifts. And by the way, if you guys have an Arctic reindeer, like, please give that to me, because I do not have one. Why am I stuck behind Santa? Whoa. I just talked about an Arctic reindeer, and this girl has a... Oh my gosh, I've always wanted an Arctic reindeer. Let me get out my ice cream truck so they see that I have it. No, 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 no. It's too loud. Oh, okay. You know what? I'm just gonna turn this all the way down. Let's go ahead. Oh, she has a shadow dragon. Oh, she has a frost dragon. Wait, let me get out Mr. Sloth. Mr. Brownie. Call him Brownie. Let's go ahead and ride Mr. Brownie. Okay, now where do servers? Ah! You tipped me over so much. Ah. Rude. Let's go ahead. Let's go to ice cream truck. Wait, really? She's gonna trade me for that? No, she's not. No! I'm not actually giving this ice cream truck away. What? No. Sorry. No, punching the grappling hook. I want that frost dragon. Come here. Okay, you go over there. Do 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 do. Okay. Why would I want a glider? No, thank you. Can anyone give me a car pet, because this is new or blink on Roblox? You're not new on Roblox. I'm sorry, but people say you're new, and that's just sad. Guys, we're gonna go to the next server. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, we are back on a different server, and this girl has a fly potion or a ride potion. I don't really know what that is, but that's a ride potion. No, I'll give her... excuse me. Let me get out Brownie. Brownie. Brat. Okay. Let's go ahead and ride. So, her name's Emma, PG Squad. She has a neon frost dragon. Get over here. No, not a frost dragon. Shadow dragon. Get over here, lady. Okay, what do you want for the rideable slot? Oh, I mean, sorry. An ice cream truck. Sorry, I already have one of those. Okay. By the way, you guys should go check out my my Instagram, AleaCastro90, and also you should go and you should friend me on Roblox. It's Aaliyah Loves Myself. I'll write it down. I'll show you guys on the next video. So yeah. Well, thank you. Not a lot. So that's all of our trades for today. And I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're gonna wrap it up in this video. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I love you so much. Bye, and time for my fall. For the end of the video, I'm gonna start doing this. Woo!